What is the process of representing information graphically called? What is the primary sense used in data visualization? What type of decision-making does data visualization significantly improve? Data visualization helps in identifying areas that need DAS and improvement. What is the visual representation of data using symbols, such as bars in a chart, called? Which graphical representation uses points connected by lines to show how something changes in value? What kind of data is best represented by a histogram? In a histogram, what does each bar represent? In data visualization, shapes are often used to represent different dash. What shape is typically used to display data points on a scatter plot?